What is up, you guys? Hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day. Today I'm going to be showing you a little trick for your iPhone where you can look up any product on the internet with just a barcode. It's super simple, so let's just jump right into it. Alright, you guys, if you saw last week's video, I told you guys how to look up any product's price history on Amazon. And this was really cool. It could save you a lot of money if you're really trying to find the best price. But if you want to watch that video, it's up in the iCards. Today's video is going to be a little bit similar. It's also going to be using the Shortcuts app. So if you don't have Shortcuts already downloaded, you're going to want to download Shortcuts. It's just on the App Store. Just look up Shortcuts. You'll have to do that if you're on iOS 12 or before. If you're on iOS 13 or iPad OS, if you're doing this on an iPad, you won't have to because Shortcuts is already downloaded on your device. It's that simple already. Super cool. So let's just go to the next step. Alright, next you guys will want to click the link in the video description. Right down there. It's the top link. And it's going to open up a shortcut that you guys will need for this tutorial. And basically all this does is you open up the shortcut and you scan a barcode on a product and it looks it up on the interwebs. It's super simple, so I'm going to show you 3 products. The first one is this Febreze spray, so we're just going to look this product on the interwebs using this barcode right here. The next product we have is this book, All the Light We Cannot See, and using this barcode right there. Finally, the product we have is this tissue box. It's Puffs tissues, and we're gonna use that barcode right there. Right there. You guys can't see that. Right there. And so let's just do this. So we're just gonna open up our phone here, and we have Shortcuts right here. I'm gonna click on that, and we have the scan and search right here. And we're just going to hold your phone up to the product just like this. Scan it and look at this. It's gonna look it up, and we have the Febreze Air and 8.8 ounce Hawaiian Aloha Scent Air, which is exactly what we have right here. We can click on this, and we can even purchase it from Home Depot. Look at that, right there. Okay, next product. Back over to Shortcuts. We're gonna scan and search. We're gonna do this All the Light We Cannot See book next. Hold it up to the barcode and scan the product. Now we have scanned the product, and as you can see on my screen here, we have the book right here. It literally pulls it right up. You can buy it from Barnes & Noble for $7.84, which, by the way, this is a good book. I read this book like a year ago, and I would definitely recommend it. It's about a blind girl, and there's another guy in the book. It's been a little while, but it's definitely a good read, so I would definitely go check it out. Alright, finally, the next product is this tissue box, and we have the barcode right here. So click on scan code and open this up. Search. And we have the Amazon listing right here. Click on the top one. Look at that. Puffs tissues. So this works on any product. I have had some issues like not working on some products, but for the most part it does work on the products. If it doesn't, then don't blame me. I'm sorry. I didn't make it work that way. But it does work on most products. So if you guys find a product at like a friend's house and you are like, I want that product, you could be like, wabang, it has a barcode, and then be like, wabang, I'll scan it and I'll buy it right now so it can be delivered to my house through Amazon. It's that simple. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked the video, it would be much appreciated if you gave me a like on the video, which is just down below. You know what it is. It's this one, not this one. If you guys didn't like the video, then comment something you'd like to see. If you want to watch another one of my videos, I have it right here. These are more tech videos, and I think you guys might like these ones. Subscribe right here in the middle, and watch this video over here. This is a video that YouTube thinks you guys would like to watch. So I'll see you guys next week.